Hi, I'm Chris with Partners Development Group. In this video, we'll be discussing winter maintenance for your home. In the winter months, as the outside temperature gets colder, make sure to keep your windows fully closed and locked. Keep your blinds 8 to 10 inches above the bottom of the sill, and if there's any moisture present, place a towel down and change these towels regularly as needed. Understanding proper use of your bathroom ventilation fan will help reduce humidity in your home. The fan switch has 3 settings, 20, 40, and 60 minutes. It's recommended that you run the 60-minute cycle every time you shower. To do so, push the middle button 3 times. It will blink 3 times and remain on. This will run for 60 minutes and turn off when it's finished. In the winter months, you may have to run this more frequently as the outside temperatures decrease. Here are some features on your thermostat that will help you manage humidity throughout the winter months. When outside temperatures drop below zero, you may notice condensation buildup on the interior window glass. This is due to higher levels of humidity within your home. You may then need to run a fresh air cycle. Find fresh air on the bottom right of the panel. Automatic function is already selected. This must remain on at all times. It is recommended that you run a 24-hour vent. Select this, press done, which will unlock in your selection. For the next 24 hours, this will ventilate humid air from your home while bringing fresh air in more frequently. After 24 hours, this will turn off and automatic function will resume. If you have a humidifier installed in your home, you will need to follow the recommended settings based on the chart. You can find this under Humidity Control. From there, you can increase or decrease the humidity percentage based on outside air temperatures. Please follow this throughout the winter months. Before outside temperatures drop, you will need to turn the water off for your outside taps. Please follow these steps. Locate the line labeled hose bibs in your mechanical room. Turn the lever to the off position. Next, go outside and open any exterior taps that you have. Once water is drained from these, place them in the closed position. Next, get a cup or a container, placing it under the line. You then would open the bleeder valve, which drains the remaining water from the line, closing it once this is complete. This will then keep your exterior water lines safe for the winter. Hopefully you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our customer care department. Thank you for choosing Partners Development Group, and have a wonderful day.